What's up guys, Adrian Amaral here with 911 Gadgets. I'm going to show you guys a quick preview of the POS system I'm using. It is cellstore.co. So a lot of people are asking me what POS system do I use, how much is it, and how do I start it and stuff like that. So this is strictly just a quick preview for it. You'll see the link in a lot of my videos. So first you want to go to Google, your browser, whatever you use. Then you go to cellstore.co. Then you go to log in. Once you've already done it, right? You can try it for free or whatever. So just log in, or you can just go to the URL that it's a custom URL for you. So mine's 911gadgets.cellstore.co. You type in your username and password. You log in. You have a whole bunch of stuff here you can play with. And there's videos here, video overviews. You can ask questions, all that good stuff. So in this one, I'm just gonna do a quick repair. So let's go to repairs. Okay, you click on repairs over here. Create new ticket. Estimate. Now this is a real repair. I mean, you can do an estimate, but hope they're all just repairs. Customer name. Let's go with Linda Gwen. Here you go. Enter. It already shows her email there. Customer devices, she's brought in an iPhone 7, a Samsung S8. So let's hit new. Let's say she brought a different iPhone 7. The one from before was an iPhone 7 that was rose gold. Here's the IMEI number. So this is a different one. It's a iPhone 7. Here we go. It's a black one, or maybe it's another pink one, but just different one. Brand Apple, model iPhone 7. This one is black. Alright, due date, I leave it empty. Problem, LCD speaker, let's do LCD replacement. And then password, I just leave that alone. So just hit add. So it creates a ticket here, right? This is a new ticket. You can put assigned, on hold, waiting on customer. Let's say the customer hasn't picked it up, or you're waiting for parts, or finished. So we'll do finished here in just a bit. Here we go, so Linda, email. Okay, we're gonna select right here where it says search by product, iPhone 7, Apple screen. Okay, so if you see that, it's 79 bucks, and then it automatically generates a tax for you. You set your tax according to your city. Then the grand total is 85. So if she wants to pay half and half, so half cash, let's say she wants to do 40 bucks, you add the payment here. So I'm gonna do $40 in cash, add the payment, and now amount due is 45. And then here it's gonna be she's gonna do Visa, full $45. You're gonna add that payment, and now that there's no more balance, you can click complete here. So if you click complete, it won't let you until you mark it finished. So you go up here to the top and you go to finished. So you hit complete. Choose how the change was given. There was no change, so complete. And then you just print this receipt, and there you go. So now, I'll show you guys what the receipt looks like. There you go. The invoice number's right here. The date, it was an iPhone 7 screen. Where are you? Right there. The price, taxes, and payment. You see one's Visa and one's cash. And this is what you give your customers. Bam, and that's it. If you have any more questions, please visit the link, subscribe to that, and if you want, just email me or leave me a comment and I'll answer any questions you guys want. I hope you guys like it. Peace out.